So it's been 6 months now since Apple's Contunity camera feature came out for iOS as well as macOS. And what this feature allows you to do is you can now use your iPhone as a webcam. Specifically, you're using the rear camera system of the iPhone. And the reason why that's such a big deal is the rear camera system on iPhones today not only have a higher megapixel count, but the sensors themselves are quite a bit larger. And you can see that when you look closely at, say, my studio display webcam versus the size of just the main camera sensor of the iPhone. The sensor on the iPhone and the lens system is much better. This shows when you look at the footage from something like the studio display, which looks horrible, versus Contunity camera with my iPhone 14 Pro, which looks amazing. It looks better than almost any webcam out there. That's not just because Apple's camera hardware, but also Apple's camera processing. Contunity camera on macOS has built-in features like you can automatically blur out the background, you can have the camera follow you around, and you can even have a thing called desk view where it'll use the ultra-wide camera on the iPhone to look down at your desk and simulate almost like a top-down view. So that's a little bit about how Contunity camera works and some of its features, but how do you actually get it to work for your own setup? Well, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download the most current version of macOS and iOS on both of your devices. And you'll want to make sure that you have a device that actually supports this feature. Apple does have a list on their website of some like really old Macs as well as iPhones that are just not going to be able to support this feature. The second thing you'll need to do is make sure you have a mount. Apple partnered with Belkin to make the official mounts for studio displays and Macs, and those adapters actually work pretty well. I have both of them and they're well designed. Once you have those adapters and you've downloaded the latest software, this is the cool part. You want to make sure first that you've unlocked your iPhone. That is important. If your iPhone's locked, this feature's not going to work. Once you've unlocked your iPhone, just place it on the adapter. Now you're pretty much good to go. If I unlock my Mac here, it'll recognize the iPhone as a camera, and any third-party app, that's Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, etc., any third-party app that would use your Mac's webcam will actually be able to see your iPhone via Contunity camera as a webcam. So it just works. Like it's the classic, Apple tagline. That's been my experience with this feature so far. Now, if you want zero risk of video cutting out or dropping frames with a wireless connection between your iPhone and your Mac, that's where you would want to plug in your iPhone to the Mac while using Contunity camera. And that's what I've defaulted to, especially if I'm recording something from QuickTime. I don't want to lose any frames while recording via Contunity camera. Obviously, the only downside to Contunity camera is you can't use your iPhone while you're using it as your webcam. So that's Contunity camera. And if you'd like to see more of our content on Apple products, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that thumbs up button if you found this video interesting and helpful. And let me know, have you tried out Contunity camera? Let me know what you think in the comments below. How do you think it looks compared to some other webcams that you've used in the past? And if you want to see more of our content on Apple, you can click on the playlist above to get to that. For 6 months later, I'm Josh Tedder. Thanks for watching.